Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account and device where Safesearch is stuck. This matters because settings can be enforced per account or by a router. Sign into Google and then check Family Link or any parental control app. Turn them off if active. Once done, restart the browser and clear cache, or open an incognito window to test. These first steps separate local browser glitches from account or network-level enforcement, so you know where to focus next. Next, you change the actual search and network controls because Safesearch can be applied by search engines, DNS, or carriers. Go to Google search settings and toggle off Filter Explicit Results, then save. If that fails, check your router's DNS and temporary switch to 8 to bypass family filters. Make sure you know why. Some routers enforce filters at the network level. Also review mobile carrier or ISP filtering in account dashboards. Once changed, test search again to confirm it's lifted. Finally, you complete the fix and verify persistence across devices. Sign out and back into account so settings sync, and check Chrome profiles or device management for enforced policies. Remove any that force Safesearch. Once done, test on multiple devices and networks. If Safesearch still won't turn off, try another network to rule out router or ISP enforcement. If nothing else works, consider factory resetting affected device profiles, but only after backing up data, because that resets enforced configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.